Boomi Training online certification course by Vistasparks Solutions. Master Boomi and gain expertise in cloud integration, application integration, API management, data integration, workflow automation, master data management, and enterprise connectivity. Our comprehensive Boomi training program is designed to help professionals build, deploy, manage, and monitor integrations between cloud and on-premise applications. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world integration scenarios, API development, data synchronization, and business process automation using Boomi. Contact on the mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services. The Boomi IPaaS provides a comprehensive set of tools for integrating data across different systems. This includes features such as universal connectivity, which enables integration with any cloud, SaaS, and on-premises system. The platform also offers a range of pre-built connectors for popular business applications, including Salesforce, Microsoft Dynamics, and SAP. Additionally, Boomi's visual workflow editor makes it easy to design and implement custom integrations. Boomi is a cloud-based integration platform that enables businesses to connect their applications, systems, and data sources seamlessly. With its robust features and user-friendly interface, Boomi facilitates efficient data exchange between different systems, ensuring real-time visibility into business operations. By leveraging Boomi's capabilities, organizations can streamline their workflows, enhance collaboration, and drive innovation. Our team at Vistasparks Solutions has extensive experience in implementing Boomi solutions, helping clients achieve significant improvements in operational efficiency and customer satisfaction. Boomi's cloud-native management delivers enterprise-grade security deployed locally or in the cloud to interface with minimal maintenance overhead, scaling effortlessly across organizations. This means that Boomi provides a secure environment for integrating various systems and applications, allowing businesses to build, deploy, and monitor their integrations efficiently. The Atom and AtomSphere architectures provide a lightweight runtime engine, enabling fast and flexible integration. By leveraging these core platform concepts, businesses can ensure the security and reliability of their integrations, while also minimizing maintenance efforts. Boomi's architecture comprises 3 interconnected pillars, working together to deliver robust and scalable integrations. These pillars consist of reusable building blocks, connectors, and document flow. Let's take a closer look at each component. Reusable building blocks, also known as components, form the foundation of Boomi's architecture. They encapsulate integration logic, enabling maximum efficiency and flexibility. Following that, we have connectors, offering over 100 pre-built integration points for popular enterprise systems and APIs. This allows users to seamlessly integrate their existing applications and services. Lastly, document flow represents the path that data travels through, consisting of 3 stages: source, transformation, and destination. Each stage plays a crucial role in ensuring smooth data exchange between different systems. By combining these 3 pillars, Boomi offers a powerful and scalable integration platform that caters to the needs of various organizations. The key benefit of this architecture is its ability to support complex integration scenarios, simplifying the connection of disparate systems and promoting agility. In summary, Boomi's architecture provides a flexible and efficient solution for integrating multiple systems, allowing organizations to respond quickly to changing market conditions. The modular design allows developers to create custom solutions using existing components, reducing development time and costs. Ultimately, Boomi's architecture is designed to cater to the integration needs of modern businesses and unlock new opportunities for growth and innovation. By understanding how it works, developers can develop more effective and efficient integrations, driving business success. Moreover, Boomi's architecture is designed for longevity, offering long-term benefits to organizations. With its scalable and modular design, Boomi empowers businesses to thrive in today's fast-paced digital landscape. By harnessing its power, organizations can tap into new revenue streams, enhance operational efficiency, and improve customer experiences. In conclusion, Boomi's architecture is a powerful tool that supports modern businesses in achieving their goals. Individual training is designed to meet the unique needs of each professional. With tailored learning paths, individuals can focus on their specific career goals and current skill level. Our expert mentors provide guidance and support throughout the process. With flexible scheduling, individuals can learn at their own pace, whenever it suits them. We offer both self-paced and instructor-led options, allowing individuals to choose the approach that works best for them. Our curriculum is carefully crafted to align with the individual's specific career goals and current skill level. We also provide direct access to certified professionals who can offer expert advice and guidance. This personalized approach ensures that individuals receive the attention and support they need to succeed. By choosing our individual training, individuals can take control of their career development and achieve their goals. Scaling for the enterprise is a critical component of any organization's growth strategy. As businesses expand, they require systems that can adapt and scale to meet increasing demands. In this chapter, we will explore the key principles and strategies for scaling an enterprise-level system. We will discuss how to design and implement scalable architecture, manage data growth, and optimize system performance. By the end of this chapter, you will have a comprehensive understanding of how to scale your enterprise-level system for optimal results. The Boomi integration developer skills required for building robust and scalable integrations include proficiency in programming languages such as Java, Python, and TU. These skills are essential for managing high-volume data flows and implementing fault-tolerant error handling mechanisms. The ability to design and implement a robust architecture is critical for ensuring seamless integration with other systems. A strong understanding of data processing and workflow management is necessary for creating efficient and reliable integrations. Furthermore, the use of batch processing and try-catch patterns can help mitigate errors and improve overall system performance. By mastering these skills, developers can build integrations that can handle large volumes of data and minimize downtime. Boomi's API component framework is used to build, expose, and consume RESTful APIs. This framework provides a structured approach to designing and implementing APIs. With this framework, developers can create APIs that are scalable, secure, and easy to use. The framework includes tools and features that enable developers to set up and manage a self-service developer portal. A self-service developer portal allows internal and external API consumers to access and interact with the APIs. Additionally, the framework provides mechanisms for applying authentication policies. Authentication policies help ensure that APIs are properly secured. The framework also manages API lifecycle stages. API lifecycle stages include planning, development, testing, deployment, and maintenance. By utilizing Boomi's API component framework, developers can ensure that their APIs meet the necessary standards for security, scalability, and usability. Developers can apply these standards by setting up authentication policies and managing API lifecycle stages. These standards are essential for maintaining secure and reliable APIs. Boomi's advanced integration capabilities enable you to go beyond the basics and tackle the performance and operational challenges of enterprise-scale deployments. In this module, we will focus on high-level concepts such as memory management, CI/CD, and DevOps. We'll explore how to integrate Boomi into modern DevOps practices, enabling you to optimize pipeline performance, reduce out-of-memory exception errors, and improve overall process execution efficiency. Through hands-on exercises and real-world examples, you'll learn how to design and implement effective solutions for large-scale process executions, ensuring seamless scalability and reliability. By mastering these advanced integration skills, you'll be well-equipped to tackle complex enterprise-scale deployments and drive business value through optimized processes. Individual training is designed to meet your unique needs and goals. Our courses are tailored to help you achieve your objectives. Whether you're starting out or looking to upskill, with personalized learning paths, you'll have direct access to certified instructors who can guide you through the material. You can choose from flexible scheduling options, including self-paced or live instructor-led sessions that fit your lifestyle. We offer a range of curriculum options carefully aligned to your specific career goals and current skill level. Individual training is designed around you, your pace, your goals, your schedule. Our tailored learning paths are customized to meet your specific needs. With one-on-one expert mentorship, flexible scheduling, and curriculum aligned to your current skill level, you'll have direct access to certified Boomi experts. Choose from self-paced or live instructor-led sessions that fit your lifestyle. Whether you're starting out or upskilling, we've got you covered. Our individual training programs are built for both individuals and enterprises alike. The corporate training solutions offered by our company are designed to address specific challenges faced by organizations in today's fast-paced business environment. These solutions are tailored to each organization's unique needs and goals, ensuring that they receive a customized program that meets their specific requirements. The curriculum is developed based on the organization's enterprise technology stack and use cases. Taking into account the current market trends and industry standards, our training programs focus on improving data governance, simplifying integration complexities, and accelerating return on investment. We also provide flexible delivery options to accommodate different learning styles and preferences, including on-site, virtual, and blended learning approaches. By using our training solutions, organizations can expect to see improvements in productivity, system uptime, and integration velocity, which ultimately drive business success. The company offers a certification prep program that helps individuals prepare for the Boomi Professional Integration Developer exam. The program includes resume building, LinkedIn optimization, mock interviews, and direct project placement with mock tests and review assistance. Career coaching is also provided to assist individuals in achieving their career goals. The company's career coaching services include resume building, LinkedIn optimization, mock interviews, and direct project placement with mock tests and review assistance. Lifetime archives are available, providing unlimited access to all recorded training sessions, allowing individuals to revisit any concept at any time. The company was founded by a group of entrepreneurs who were passionate about creating innovative solutions for businesses. They wanted to help companies improve their digital presence, increase productivity, and enhance customer experience. The founders believed that technology could be used to empower individuals and organizations to achieve their goals. They developed a range of services including website design, development, and maintenance, as well as digital marketing and social media management. Their goal was to provide businesses with the tools they needed to succeed in the digital age. Boomi's innovative approach to integration enables businesses to streamline processes, increase efficiency, and reduce costs. By leveraging advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, Boomi helps organizations optimize their workflows, automate tasks, and improve decision-making. With a focus on scalability and flexibility, Boomi provides a comprehensive platform for integrating data from various sources, allowing businesses to make informed decisions and drive growth.